Everything to know before you go. A tourist guide to Vietnam in 2024. Introduction. Vietnam, a land of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and rich history, has long been a favorite destination for travelers seeking adventure and tranquility alike. From the bustling streets of Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City to the serene waters of Ha Long Bay and the lush greenery of the Mekong Delta, Vietnam offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to all types of travelers. As you prepare for your journey in 2024, here's everything you need to know to make the most of your trip to this captivating Southeast Asian country. Visa and entry requirements. Visa requirements. 1. E-visa, available for citizens of over 80 countries. 1. Valid for 30 days, single entry. 1. Apply online through the official government website. 2. Visa on arrival. Requires pre-approval letter obtained online before arrival. 2. Valid for 30 or 90 days, single or multiple entries. 3. Visa exemption. Citizens of certain countries, e.g., Japan, South Korea, ASEAN countries, can enter Vietnam without a visa for stays ranging from 15 to 30 days. Entry requirements. 1. A passport with at least 6 months validity. 2. Proof of onward travel or return ticket. 3. Health insurance is recommended but not mandatory. Best time to visit. Vietnam has a diverse climate due to its length, resulting in different weather patterns in the north, central, and southern regions. 1. North, Hanoi, Ha Long Bay, Sapa. Best time to visit is from October to April when the weather is cooler and drier. 2. Central, Hue, Da Nang, Hoi An. Ideal from February to August for beachgoers, while September to January may bring heavy rains. 3. South, Ho Chi Minh City, Mekong Delta, Phu Quoc. Warm year-round with the dry season from December to April and the rainy season from May to November. Top destinations. Hanoi, the capital city, known for its centuries-old architecture, bustling old quarter, and rich cultural heritage. Don't miss Hon Kiem Lake, Temple of Literature, and Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site famed for its emerald waters and thousands of limestone islands. Enjoy a boat cruise, kayaking, or an overnight stay on a traditional junk boat. Hoi An, an ancient town with well-preserved architecture, vibrant lantern-lit streets, and a unique blend of cultures. Visit the Japanese covered bridge, historic merchant houses, and the bustling night market. Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam's largest city, offering a mix of modern skyscrapers, historic French colonial buildings, and lively street markets. Key attractions include the War Remnants Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral Basilica, and Ben Thanh Market. Sapa. Located in the northern highlands, Sapa is known for its terraced rice fields, ethnic minority villages, and the stunning Phan Xipang Mountain. Trekking and homestays are popular activities. Mekong Delta. A vast network of rivers, swamps, and islands, offering a glimpse into rural Vietnamese life. Take a boat tour through the floating markets and visit traditional craft villages. Cultural etiquette. 1. Dress modestly. When visiting temples and pagodas, cover your shoulders and knees. 2. Remove shoes before entering someone's home or a religious site. 3. Respect elders. Show deference to older individuals by using polite language and gestures. 4. Handshakes. Common for greeting, but use both hands for a more formal approach. Currency and costs. Currency. Vietnamese dong, VND. US dollars are also widely accepted in tourist areas. Costs. Vietnam is generally affordable. Budget travelers can get by on $20.30 per day, while mid-range travelers should budget $50,100 per day. Luxury travelers can expect to spend $150 plus per day. Transportation. 1. Domestic flights. Fastest way to travel between major cities. 1. Vietnam Airlines, Vietjet Air, and Bamboo Airways are the primary carriers. 2. Trains. Scenic but slower. 2. The Reunification Express runs from Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City. 3. Buses. Extensive network, including sleeper buses for long distances. 4. Motorbikes. Popular for short trips and exploring rural areas. 4. Ensure you have an international driving permit. 5. Taxis and ride-hailing apps. Grab is the most popular ride-hailing service. Health and safety. 1. Vaccinations. Recommended vaccines include hepatitis A, hepatitis B, typhoid, and tetanus. 2. Food and water. Drink bottled or purified water. 2. Be cautious with street food. Choose vendors with good hygiene practices. 3. Safety. Vietnam is generally safe, but be aware of petty theft, especially in crowded areas. 3. Keep your belongings secure and be cautious when crossing streets due to heavy traffic. Language. 1. Vietnamese, the official language. 1. English is widely spoken in tourist areas and by younger generations. 2. Useful phrases. Hello, Xin Chao, Xin Chao. Thank you, Cam on, Gam on. Yes, Vang, Vang. No, Kong, Kong. Local cuisine. Vietnamese cuisine is renowned for its fresh ingredients, aromatic flavors, and balance of textures. Must-try dishes include 1. Pho, noodle soup with beef or chicken, herbs, and lime. 2. Banh mi, Vietnamese sandwich with various fillings, typically including pate, pickled vegetables, and herbs. 3. Spring rolls, fresh, goi goon, or fried, cha gio, filled with shrimp, pork, and vegetables. 4. Bún cha, grilled pork served with vermicelli noodles, fresh herbs, and dipping sauce. 5. Sao lao, a Hoi specialty with noodles, pork, greens, and crispy croutons. Sustainable travel tips. 1. Reduce plastic use. Carry a reusable water bottle and shopping bag. 2. Support local businesses. Choose locally owned accommodations, restaurants, and tour operators. 3. Respect wildlife. Avoid purchasing products made from endangered animals or participating in unethical wildlife tours. 4. Be mindful of your impact, respect local customs and minimize your environmental footprint. Outro. Vietnam is a land of contrasts and wonders, where every turn reveals a new adventure or a hidden gem. Whether you're exploring ancient cities, cruising through stunning seascapes, or savoring delicious street food, Vietnam promises an unforgettable journey. Embrace the vibrant culture, connect with the friendly locals, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Prepare yourself for an extraordinary experience in Vietnam, a destination that truly has something for everyone. Safe travels. If you want to keep up with all the latest updates, do not forget to subscribe.